Good morning, class. I'm Miss Margie, Mesina, your mathematics teacher. Our lesson for today is all about divisibility rules. So first, let me explain what is divisibility rules. A divisibility rules is a shorthand and useful way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the division, usually by examining its digit. So let's start. Divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Example number 1. Is 568 is divisible by 2? The answer is yes, because the ones digit, which is 8, is divisible by 2. Therefore, 568 is divisible by 2. Example number 2. Is 895 divisible by 2? The answer is no, because 5 is not an even number. Divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Example number 1. Is 561 divisible by 3? So we have here a solution. 5 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 12. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, 561 is divisible by 3 because the sum of all digits, which is 12, is divisible by 3. So example number 2. Is 9623 divisible by 3? So the solution is 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 20. So the answer is no, because 20 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 4. If the number formed by the last two digits of number is divisible by 4, then the original number is divisible by 4. Also, a number ending with 2 zeros is always divisible by 4. Example number 1. Is 816 divisible by 4? So we have here a solution. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, 816 is divisible by 4. Example number 2. Is 200 divisible by 4? The answer is yes, because it ends with 2 zeros. Divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit of the number is 0 or 5. Example number 1. Is 660 divisible by 5? The answer is yes, because the ones digit is 0, therefore 660 is divisible by 5. Example number 2. Is 45,787 divisible by 5? The answer is no, because it is not ending in 0 or 5. Divisibility rule for 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Example number 1. Is 864 divisible by 6? So we have here a solution. 864 can be divided by 2 as the ones digit 4 is even. 8 plus 6 plus 4 is equal 18. So 18 divided by 3 is equal 16. Since 864 is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Example number 2. Is 3,426 divisible by 6? The answer is yes, because it ends with 6, which is an even number, and if we add all the digits, it gives an answer of 15, which is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 7. Take the last digit of the number, double it, and subtract the double number from the remaining number. If the result is evenly divisible by 7 or 0, then the number is divisible by 7. This can be repeated. So example number 1. Is 2,492 divisible by 7? So we have here a solution. 2,492. So we need to take the last digit. So we need to double it. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So we need to subtract the double number from the remaining number. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Bring down 4, bring down 2. So 245, it is still big. We need to subtract it again. We need to take again the last digit, which is 5, and double it. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So we need to subtract the double number again from the remaining number. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we need to know if 14 is divisible by 7. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So therefore, 2492 is divisible by 7. So example number 2, is 3157 divisible by 7? So again, we have here a solution, 3157. So we need to take again the last digit and double it. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. We need it again to subtract the double number from the remaining number. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Bring down 3. So 301. So again, we need to take the 1 and double it. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we need to subtract the double number from the remaining number again. 0 minus 2, we need to bring down 1 and it's equal to 8. So bring down 2, its total is 28. So we need to know if 28 is divisible by 7. So 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Therefore, 3157 is divisible by 7. Divisibility rule for 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8, then the original number is divisible by 8. Also, a number ending with 3 zeros is always divisible by 8. So example number 1, is 12,184 divisible by 8? So we have here a solution. The last 3 digits of 12,184 are 184. So 184 divided by 8 is equal to 23. Therefore, 12,184 is divisible by 8. So example number 2, is 8,000 divisible by 8? The answer is yes, because it ends with 3 zeros. Divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible or multiple of 9. So example number 1, is 45,675 is divisible by 9? So we have here a solution. We need to sum of all the digits. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 27. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, 45,675 is divisible by 9. So example number 2, is 4,674 divisible by 9? So we have here a solution. We need to sum of all the digits. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 21. 21 is not divisible by 9. So 4,674 is not divisible by 9. Divisibility rule for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit of the number is 0. So example number 1, is 5,670 divisible by 10? So the answer is yes, because the ones digit is 0. Therefore, 5,670 is divisible by 10. Example number 2, is 548 divisible by 10? So the answer is no, because it's not ending with 0. Divisibility rule for 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in the odds place and the sum of those in the even place is 0, or divisible by 11. So we have here example number 1, is 583 divisible by 11? So we have here a solution. So the first digit is 5, second digit is 8, and the third digit is 3. So the odd place is 5 and 3, and the even place is 8. So 5 the odd place, we need to sum the odd place. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and minus to the even place. 8 minus 8 is equal 0. So therefore, 583 is divisible by 11. So example number 2, is 2,845 is divisible by 11. So we have here again a solution. So the first digit is 2, second is 8, third is 4, and the fourth digit is 5. So the odd place is 8 and 5, and the even place is 2 and 4. So we need to add the odd place. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, and 2 plus 4, which is the even place, is 2 plus 4 is 6. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So therefore 2,845 is not divisible by 11. Divisibility rule for 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it's divisible by both 3 and 4. So example number 1 is 384 divisible by 12. So we have here a solution. So we need to add or sum the 3 digits, which is 3, 8, and 4. So 3 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 15. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 84 divided by 4 is equal to 21. Therefore, 384 is divisible by 12. Example number 2 is 34,500 divisible by 12. So again, we need to sum the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 12. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So the answer is yes, it is divisible by 12 because it is both divisible by 3 and 4. Divisibility rule for 13. If a number is given, then multiply the last digit with 4 and add it to the rest of the number. If the outcome is divisible by 13, then the number is also divisible by 13. So we have here example number 1 is 143 divisible by 13. So we have a solution. The last digit is 3, so we need to multiply it to 4. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So second step, 14 plus 3 times 4 is equal to 14 plus 12. So it's equal to 26. So therefore 143 is divisible by 13. So next is example number 2 is 24,167 is divisible by 13. So first step, bring down the 2,416 plus 7 times 4 is equal to 2,416 plus 28. So equal 2,444. So second step, 2,444 plus 4 times 4 is equal to 244 plus 16 is equal to 260. So step 3, 26 plus 0 times 4 is equal to 26 plus 0 is equal to 26. So 26 is divisible by 13. Therefore, 24,167 is also divisible by 13.